Here we have a 3.5mm or 1/8 inch connector with screw terminals at the end. There's 2 of them in here. It is a tip sleeve type connector, and I got this so that I could easily test before soldering a permanent connector on the end of a cable. You can screw the wires in here, plug it into the device, test it out, make sure you have the wiring correct, and then actually solder on a permanent one. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look. So here we have the 2 connectors, again, a tip and a sleeve. You can see a positive and negative terminal there with small screws. And then if you look closely, that's where you would insert the wires and then screw it in to tighten down on those. I thought these would be useful prior to soldering a permanent connector onto the end of a wire, just to make sure that the device works, whatever you are going to solder this onto the end of the cable to, and also just to make sure that you have polarity and other types of connections properly wired. And that's it.